Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. I so enjoyed drawing King Dice from the Cuphead game and the upcoming Cuphead show on Netflix, I decided we'd keep it going today and draw the head honcho of Inkwell Hell, the devil himself. All you're going to need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw the devil from Cuphead. We're going to draw the devil step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. The devil is just under 3 heads in this pose, about 2.5 heads tall, not counting his devil horns and the trident he's holding. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is roughly 2.5 of those. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for the devil. There's a sentence I never thought I would say. So there's a roadmap for the devil from Cuphead. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put the devil's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out the devil's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for the devil. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of the devil. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for the dastardly devil from Cuphead. Alrighty, there you have it, the devil from Cuphead. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn the devil before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfect. Another sentence I never thought I would say. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring the devil during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing the devil from Cuphead. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of the devil. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.